Hi, we're back with block 17. Got to get my cheat sheet here. And this is 2 by 2, and you can see by my setup here, we're going to be doing some strip piecing today. This is a nice, easy, fast block, so it'll be really nice for a Wednesday speed sewing session. You'll need, got to tell you what you need here. For your 3-inch block, you'll need 2 1 1/4 by 9-inch strips. One of one color, one of the other color. So red and blue is what my pattern calls for. You substitute what you're using. For your 6-inch block, you'll need 2 by 15-inch strips and one of each of your fabrics. So super fast and easy to sew. You'll see tomorrow my reason for doing this block today. So, there you go. So we've got our strips sewn together. Oh, I ran out of bobbin thread. Yikes. Okay, I'll be back and change that. All right, I got that fixed and I'm back. It's a good thing I didn't keep taping because I managed to drop my bobbin case into the bottom of the machine, had to retrieve it, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I am back. We are going to cut these strips into 2-inch strips. So your finish for your 3-inch block, your strip should measure 2 inches across, and we're going to cut these into 2-inch squares. For your 6-inch block, they're going to measure 3.5 inch across, and you're going to cut 3.5 inch squares out of it. So always start by squaring up your end. And then we're just going to cut our strips. So there we have 4 strips. So we are going to arrange those with your red going like this. So we got red, touching red, and it's going to spin around, make kind of a pinwheel look. So there you are. So it's just a little 4 patch. Looks like I had a little cut in my seam allowance, but I think that's going to be okay. Sometimes that happens when you're cutting a bunch of little pieces out of a piece of fabric that you're not, cutting strips and sub-cutting. You're just cutting these little individual pieces. You end up having little slices in it that you don't see until too late. So you can see that does not go all the way into my seam, so it should be just fine. This is going to be a small quilt, so it probably won't get a lot of use anyway, but I don't think I want to worry about it. You'll see that's kind of my thing, not to worry about a lot of things. And there we go. So there's your nice, easy 2 by 2 block. So that's it for today. I'll make sure you get you linked up in the Linky Party today, because tomorrow I'll be drawing for that prize. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.